All right. How you guys doing today? Awesome. All right. So welcome to the working week in 2025, right? All right. So let's quickly jump in and see, just some few minutes. Let's say, can we do it in 10 minutes? I hope so. All right, let's quickly do it, right? Now, you are already in 2025. Congratulations. And you are already doing an online business because, or you are just thinking, what online business should you start in 2025? Or you're already in an online business before, but you are not doing well with it. Now, what I would say is this. Don't choose an online business because you love it. A lot of people always make that mistake, right? They just choose an online business because they like it, right? That's not always the best way to make money on internet, or the best way to start an online business. Choose an online business because the customers will benefit from it. That's the most important. Because I've seen a lot online, especially in this 2025, and I just keep laughing every time I see their programs, right? They hype it so much. But, when you want to succeed in 2025, you want to make sure whatever online business you are choosing is really going to make you money. That's what I'm going to say, okay? So don't just choose any type of online business, okay? Now, when you are choosing an online business, because, we are very busy people, right? We spend a lot of time at our jobs trying to earn income from our job. So we don't have time for online to do one elaborate something or some. We just want something that is very easy. That's what I'm saying, right? You don't want to struggle to make money online. You just want something that is easy. You only do very little, but you could earn good amount of commissions with it, right? So that's what you want as a business. So I checked a lot of business, and I want to really take this video to appreciate David Dicko. If you don't know David, let me flip this camera for you. This is David. Well, he's a little bit of his face was covered by that play button. But in case you decide to join the program, you are going to see a lot and hear a lot from David, right? Now, David created this system. This system is called the super affiliate system. So when you are talking of something that is very easy to do, you want to make sure it's something as simple as the super affiliate funnel. Look, when I focus on promoting online businesses this year, I'm going to focus a lot on the super affiliate funnel. Like I said, it's very easy to do, right? Because all you are doing, you are just promoting your one link. Okay, let me show you that one link as quickly as I can so that you see what I'm talking about. So with the super affiliate funnel, once you join us, you are going to promote just your affiliate link, this one here. Just one link, right? You promote that one link, and you will now be able to earn commissions from seven income streams. Look at the income streams here. Look at income stream 1, God Backup. Income stream 2, SendShark. Income stream 3, ROI Panel. Income stream 4 is my Legacy Builders. Income stream 5 is my Lead Gen Secret. Income stream 6 is Udemy. Income stream 7 is M3 Inner Circle. Imagine you are only promoting one link, just one link, but you could earn commissions from 7 different income streams, guys. That is one of the easiest things that can happen to you. And it's not only that, even the traffic is already there for you. Okay. Now let's go to let's go to Facebook. This is my Facebook account, but let's go to the Facebook group. And look at, so far already we have over 20,000 members and more people are joining every day. But let me show you some amazing things, right? Look at this. Craig just got 278 South African rand in commission. Let's check another one. Look at Frank. Frank got a sale 5 hours ago. Look at Carlos. Carlos got a sale. Look at who again? David. You can see David here, right? David is always training people, showing us how to succeed in this year, 2025, right? But now look at more people. This is me, Victor. You can see that. I also made a sale. Can you see that? Awesome, right? And then you see David made a commission of $3,183, guys. It's powerful. And then you see Shona, she also make a sale. Look, I'm not here to start telling you. I'm not here to show you people that are making sales, right? I just want to show you how simple the super affiliate funnel is. But when you see a lot of people making sales, that tells you it's very simple, right? It doesn't take a lot of work to do. So the super affiliate funnel is a very good online business for you to focus on in 2025 because one, you only promote one link and earn more commissions from 7 different products. Then secondly, it's very affordable, right? Now, just when you join the super affiliate funnel, one of the products here, let's look at that, is Got Backup, right? And you can see Got Backup is just $9.97 in a month. Imagine $9.97. That's just what you pay every month for Got Backup, okay? And look at my account. This is my account in Got Backup. You can see my name there. And you can see already I am already at $2,152. Even yesterday, I made almost $50. Can you see that? I don't know. Can you see that? From a $9 Got Backup just cost you $9. And when you are part of the super affiliate funnel, all you have to do, you see where it say tutorial, just click on it and then you can watch the video. You can see it. Just $9.97 every month. Okay, and you will be part of just click on join Got Backup. I think for the first month, everything is just $30, right? You just pay $30 and you get started with Got Backup. And then every month you pay $9.97, guys. Is that not the cheapest business you can do ever? And look, don't play with Got Backup. It's the best online business out there right now. Best online business because it provides a very important service, just like Google Drive, Dropbox. This is a real company with a real product. So I don't want to spend too much time talking about Got Backup, but once you know you are promoting Got Backup, you know you are promoting a business that secures your future. It's powerful like that. So that is how simple it is. And then you can see the second one, SendShark, right? SendShark is an autoresponder. You see, when you want to make money online, you must build an email list. So all you do when you come to Income Stream 2, click on that tutorial and watch the video, okay? And then you activate your SendShark account. SendShark is also owned by the same company that own Got Backup. So it's a high quality product with high quality needs. Now, why do you need an autoresponder? Because you must build an email list. The bigger your email list, the more chances you get. Now, let's go to my Gmail account quickly before we are done. And then let's do a little search. All right, so I'm just doing a little search. Can you see the number of people that I'm getting? Look at the date here. Look at the date, okay? Then you see the number of people that I'm getting to join me in the super affiliate funnel. So as more people are joining me, they are part of my email list. You understand me now? And the bigger your email list, like I say, then the more opportunity you have to make money. All right. Now, because I am able to build my email list using the super affiliate funnel, I am able to promote other products to my list. Let me just show you some of those products. This is called the HBA, and I promote this to my list. And as you can see already, that's my name. And look at how much I have made. $32,329 with the HBA. But let me show you something. Now, when you come here where it says commissions, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click paid commissions, okay? Let it load. Now, look at all these commissions that have been paying to me regularly. Look at that. $20, $100, $20, $20, $20, $20, $20, $20, $100. Now, because why? I promote this product to my email list, so I'm able to make sales, okay? Now, those of you who are part of the OLSP system, you see the OLSP, and then you can see how much I have made already, $8,213. Imagine that. Why? Because I promote the OLSP system to my email list. It's powerful. Let's check another one. This is called Lead Sleep, as you can see, and that's my account there. You can see my name. And then we are going to scroll down here to affiliate commissions. Let's click on that. And once you look there, you're going to see already I am at $830. And look at the commissions. $13, $11, $11, $13, $13, $11. So if you want to make commissions, consistent commissions just like this, all right? Now, you need to be part of this super affiliate funnel. That's what I'm going to say to you. I don't want to waste your time. So when you choose a system to promote, like the super affiliate funnel, it must be easy to use, okay? It must be very, very affordable, which I've shown you with $30. You can get started easily with the super affiliate funnel. Just with $30, okay? Now, it must be easy to earn money with. You can see how easy I've been making money with it and how you too can make money with it because it's very easy. It's very easy to set up because you don't need to set up anything. Very, very easy. And all the follow-up is done for you. So David does the follow-up for you. So you don't need any follow-up. David does everything for you, right? David does the follow-up by email, by videos, and also by webinars. So everything is done for you, right? And you could earn really big commissions, guys. Big commissions. And I'm not kidding you, man. Let's go back to my Gmail account. Let's go back to my Gmail. Let's see. That's Wise. Okay. And let's click on that. You can see. Oh, sorry. I'm not. I thought I was. Let me flip the screen again. So we are back to my Gmail account. And you can see this morning from Wise. You can see that $575 on the way to my bank account from Wise, because you can just keep on making money like this over and over again. Let's even see these ones. These are, look at that, $621 to my PayPal account, $100 to my PayPal account. Then there's another $300 to my PayPal account, $1,150 to my PayPal account. And then you have this $900 to my Stripe account, another $900 going straight to my Stripe account. Then you also have this $2,000 commission to my Wise account. Look, let's leave all those. Let's leave that, right? Let's stop showing all those things. And what I'm saying is this. I have checked different business opportunities. But I think the best right now that I've seen remain the super affiliate funnel. There's something from the way it was programmed. It's something that can earn you low ticket commissions, medium ticket commissions, and even high ticket commissions. So the system is perfect, right? And you can just get started today. So I've left a link in the description, and I'm also going to leave another link below, all right? So that you can actually check it out and get started, okay? And like I told you, with the first income stream, with just $30, you're already in the business, and I'm not kidding you. So it doesn't cost any tangible amount for you to be part of the super affiliate funnel and for you to start making money with it, guys. Look, if you have questions, because I cannot go on and on like this, so if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section or get across to me on Facebook Messenger, all right? And like I said, it's very easy. Everything is well explained in the system, and you can really change your life using the super affiliate funnel. So go ahead, click that link in the description above or even below or even in my profile and get started today with the super affiliate funnel. So with that, guys, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.